Yeah, hello. So welcome to this tutorial. All right. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to correct your images. Sometimes when you download an image from WhatsApp, or it could even be from Google, and you want to use them in your design, or maybe you want to use them in your project. Sometimes when you try to open that image, or when you try to drag the image into your designing Canva, you may have an error which says that you can't use that image over there, or even sometimes you realize that the image is in an index format. So this is how to correct it. Let us look at an example of what I'm talking about here. Okay, so this email sign was sent to me on WhatsApp by a friend. So let's look at it. I want to drag it to my Canva and then use it over there, and let's see. So you can see that this file could not be read due to an error. Okay, but you can see that when I come to my image section, I can see that the image is there. Alright, it can open. It's not like maybe I can't even see a preview. I can see a preview of how the image looks like, but inside my app or inside my design, I'm having this error. So how do we correct this error? So I'll just go to OK, then I'll come back to my folder where the image is. Right click on the image. Okay, I'll right click on the image, then I'll come to open with. Then with the open with, I'll open it with paint. You can open it with paint. Every system you are using has photo paint or paint. This is how it looks like. So over here, I'll not do anything. I'll not do anything much. I'll just have to come to file, then I will come down to save as. When I come to save as, you can choose any of this format, either PNG picture, JPEG picture, BMP picture, GIF, or other format. Okay, but most times I would want to use the JPEG, so I'll go for JPEG format. Okay, and then all that I need to do is over here, I need to change the name of the file. Just change the name. Okay, so I can just say email icon. Okay, so that's why I'm saving it inside the same folder. You can save it anywhere you want, but I'm just saving it inside the same folder which I am using. Okay, so I'm saving inside the same folder which I'm using. Alright, so basically I just change the name from whatever it is over here to email icon. Okay, but I'm saving inside the same folder where I have the other one, so I'll just save it. Okay, then right when I come into the folder, you can see that it is here as email icon. Okay, so I can close this one. Then when I come in, then I drag this into Photoshop Illustrator. Let's see. So you can see, and now that I drag it into Illustrator, it is there, which I can use. All right, and then again, let's look at it, especially in Illustrator. Okay, so that is it over there. So this is in a JPEG form. Right, so if I want to really use it in Illustrator, whereby I can change colors and then apply other effects to it, what am I supposed to do? So you come to the top over here where they've written trace image. Okay, then I'll click on it, and then most times I've been using the silo hat, the C and the sli hat or silo hat over here. This one, the one right after the sketch art. So that's the one that I use. So when I click on it, that will give you an accurate image trace. All right. So it is done tracing my image, but you can't see any difference on it. Yes, that's the beauty of that effect. All right, you can't see that anything has changed, any section has moved or something like that. Okay, so right from there, the next thing I would want to do is to expand it. Okay, so now after expanding, then I can right click on it and then ungroup it because they are grouped. Okay, so when I ungroup it, now I can take off this section. Okay, then I can now use this one, and even with this ones I can just add colors to it. I can add colors to any part of it. So you see, so I've been able to add a color to it. So that is with the image correction, and then maybe probably a little trace or a little tutorial in Illustrator. I hope this has been helpful. This tutorial has been helpful, and then we are expecting more from me. We are expecting more from me, so more tutorials will be dropping. So if you like this tutorial and if this tutorial has been of help, please just hit on the like button and then subscribe and share, okay, so that whenever I post any useful content on graphic design or in the IT field, you can be able to also get a notification. Alright, so thank you very much, and God bless you. Hope to see you again. Bye.